Hey there guys, Vince Dowd, founder of Serene Investor. You know, a question I'm asked all the time is about option volatility. Out of the 5 Greeks, Vega, V-E-G-A, is the most important in regard to pricing of options. So a lot of people really don't know about it. So let me kind of give you a simple explanation of what Vega is and how it works. Think about this. When you're buying an option, we consider it cheap or expensive. And this is all based on models like the Black-Scholes model, which is actually a physics formula that won a Nobel Prize. Now, if you're like me, that's really complex. I really don't understand the mathematics. What I want to understand is really a simple principle of what I need to know to profit. And here's the way it works. Think of an option like a balloon. In my hands, I have a red balloon here. It is deflated. This would be considered a cheap option. It is cheap because the volatility is low. Low volatility occurs when the stock typically is in a very tight range. There's not a lot of movement. So there's not a lot of expectation of explosion up or exploding down. And therefore, it's considered cheap. Maybe there's no news out on it. But then an option will become expensive or more expensive as volatility increases. So think of the balloon. Blows up now with a little bit of air. This is a little bit of volatility. It becomes more expensive. If you bought it when it was cheap, now you can sell it for more money. Let's say a rumor comes out. Let's say it's a stock split, or let's say it's earnings that they expect huge earnings coming out. Now it really blows up. So now this thing is more expensive and you've made a lot of money. Now the interesting thing is this. I've had traders come to me and say, Vince, I bought a call. I bought a call on this stock. I thought it was going up, and the stock did go up. But my option went down in value. How does that happen? Well, what that means is they bought the option, and the option was too expensive. It was overinflated. And what that means is when the volatility crushes, you lose that air, it comes down cheaper, even though the stock has moved up. So you don't want that to happen. You want to buy them cheap and sell them when they blow up. Otherwise, your account will blow up. So remember this, buy low, sell high with volatility. Make sure you look at the volatility charts. This is Vince Dowd with Serene Investor.